Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix unique access to a network. So let's get started without wasting time. First of all, go back to the home screen and then open up settings app and then tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on these three lines, tap on advanced settings and then tap on save networks, tap on three dots, tap on edit and then select all and then tap on remove and then tap on remove 11 networks and then go back to the setting menu and then scroll down, tap on system settings and then scroll down, tap on backup and research and then tap on reset phone and then tap on reset network settings and then give your fingerprint and then tap on reset network settings. And you want to reset network setting. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, let me in the comment. I'll help you more. Thanks for watching.